In front of me is Huawei Y7 Pro from 2019, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select System, and here go to the About phone. Now scroll down and locate build number. So here it is, actually it's on the top of the list, and now just click 7 times on build number. Now draw your unlock pattern if you have one, and as you can see now you're a developer. So let's go back to the previous screen, and as you can see developer options appear right here. Click on it to open, and now you can use all the features, all the options that are included here. So for example, if you'd like to force allow apps on external storage, just click here. Then if you'd like to deactivate it, tap here again. And basically that would be all. Just pick the option that you would like to use, mark it and smoothly apply it. Whenever you want to deactivate developer options, just click here and they are no longer active. And also, as you can see, they disappeared from the system list. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.